Okay, so let's solve this problem. So for the parabola, then we have this given. So determine the equation of the parabola with given vertex and focus. So first, we need to graph this parabola. This is positive y, positive x, negative y, and negative x. Then from the given vertex, x is negative 4. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and y is positive 3. So positive 1, positive 2, then positive 3. Then you connect to find the point of the vertex. So this is now the point of the vertex. Then for the focus, x is positive 3, positive 1, positive 2, then positive 3, and y is also positive 3, then you connect for the point of the focus. So this is now the point of the focus. Then to graph this parabola, since the parabola always pass through this vertex and focus always inside the parabola, so therefore your parabola opens to the right and focus always inside the parabola. Then to find now the formula for the standard equation, since this parabola opens to the right, so this is now the formula for the standard equation of this parabola. So we have y minus k quantity to the power 2 equals 4 times p, then times x minus h. But first, we need to find the values for k, p, and h. Then since in the vertex of the parabola, that's h and k, so therefore h equals negative 4, then k equals positive 3, then to find p with given vertex and focus, because p is the distance from vertex to focus, so this is the vertex and the focus. So to find p, we're going to use the counting method, and in counting, you start counting on the next point. So from this point, you start counting on the next point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore, P equals 7. Then to write now the standard equation, so we have y minus k, and k is positive 3, then quantity to the power 2 equals 4 times p, and p is 7, then times x minus h is negative 4. Then to simplify, so we have y minus 3 quantity to the power 2, then equals this 4 times 7, this is 28, then times x, and this double negative, that's positive, then 4. So this is now the standard equation of this parabola. Then this time to find the general equation from the standard equation. So first, we need to expand this y minus 3 quantity to the power 2 using this method, TSMS. So S, the square of the first term, so the square of y, that's y squared. Then since minus, so minus, then m, you multiply 2 times 3 times y. This is 6y, then plus the square of the second term, the square of 3, that's 9, then equals, so this one you distribute, so 28 times x, this is 28x, then 28 times positive 4, so plus 112, then equate this equation to 0, so we have y squared minus 6y, then plus 9, u transpose, that's negative 28x, transpose negative 112, then equals 0. Then we have now y squared minus 6y minus 28x, and this positive 9 minus negative 112, that's negative 103, then equals 0. So this is now the general equation of this parabola.